Hi everyone, I have an update on my site that I'm really excited to share with you. I think it looks great, the page looks beautiful, but before I share it, I want to first note with you guys that I'm approached weekly, sometimes most days of the week, by brands to promote a service or a product, or there's always something. And because I'm seen as an influencer, even though I don't consider myself one, I'm approached by a lot of brands to share their things. And I've never wanted to just randomly promote things. What I share with you are the products and brands that I use and love myself. That's it. So with that, we have a new shop page on my site that's beautiful, and I have to thank my tech support for helping me with that. He did it all. He made it look beautiful. So when you link through, you'll see my cookbooks and my books. All of my printed books and cookbooks and eBooks are in one area, one page, and then you can link through to my favorites. And those include things like, of course, my Bellicon, my crazy bouncing, but also other items that you will want in your home or in your kitchen, appliances or like handy gadgets. Also wellness and skincare products. Some new skincare lines that I'm really loving and want to share with you as well. And some of these I've been able to get coupon codes for you. So when you link through, you'll get a good discount using the code. And then of course, sometimes there's bigger sales throughout the year, like a Black Friday or something. And having said all that, if there's a product that you think I should know about, please share it with me. Comment on this video or send me an email, because a lot of the times a product that I discover is from one of you guys, okay? So thank you for doing that and sharing your gems and your wisdom and your goodies with me. And go explore, have a look and see if there's anything there that catches your interest. And I hope you enjoy having a look. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. As always, reach out.